Alright, here we are with our hive that's in a garden. We're going to clean this thing up a little bit. You'll hear all of our birds in the background. This one's got a lot of good growth. Tons of wax. Bees are doing great. The super's filling up. We have to clean this thing out quite a bit. So we're going to try and get some of these guys popped open. Let's see if we can't get this guy out of here. Nice little hooks on our bee tree. Take it easy. Here comes number uno frame. That is a lot of honey. Alright. Honey box over here. I try and keep all the wax that I pull off. See honey dripping down already from this thing. Just do a quick clean. Life a little easier here. That's what I have this guy out for. This is the nice thing about this guy here is I can slide it in just like that. It's going to catch all my droppings now as I trim up my wax. This is a tire frame of capped honey. Fantastic. Get this thing back in its home. We've adjusted it. This was built out like crazy. I'm going to take this whole bottom suction off right here. See how it drops right on our catch there, makes it nice and easy, doesn't get it dirty. Clean up some of this top wax. Give it a quick spin. Switch her up. Just keep on moving, just like this. Easy to clean, easy to inspect. It's the beauty of the bee tree.